Weather probe launched into accident which claimed 5 lives in St.Ann. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to your viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Nadine McLeod.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Traffic Head urges motorists to check vehicles regularly.
Will sink a fire to create shortages of some of its products.
Why the JPS says its rate review application will not have big impact on bills.
And in the Business Week, Grace Kennedy calls on the BOJ to give approval for agency banking.
There's also sports commentary E-Prime in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
Are there any fresh measures you think the police could employ to reduce the number of traffic crashes on the nation's road?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after these messages.